Hi viewer, hopefully you will be fine. And today our topic is how to create a role, a profile, and how to assign to the users, how to change a role, and how to delete a role. First, we use a T code PFCG for creation a role. We can enter in this field, role field, the specific name of the roles, IDEF underscore training or mention training. Okay, here is different type. Copy type, if you have already a role you want to copy from one role to another role, then you can change from here. Copy, delete, you can delete this role. Click delete, you can delete. Shows the role does not exist, it means you did not, the role with this name did not create till now. You can create a role from here. Here in description bar you can set this is role for training. Description you can set according to your requirement. Training role, development role, production role, for banking purpose role, for development purpose role, for anything you can select. Here you must save the role first and save change. Yes, save. Here is menu. You can select transaction you want to add this in this role. Suppose we add two transaction SU01 and PFCG. Two T codes you can add, assign transaction. These two transactions added in this menu. You can add more transaction as you required. One and other menu, copy menu. If you want to copy a menu from SAP menu bar or targeted system, you can select from as SAP menu local. It means you can selected standard SAP menu. Suppose if you select a accounting role for the users, you can select accounting, transfer, one menu added in your role. Here different menu you can select. Accounting manual menu. Here all you can select different accounting T codes or full menu to assign this role. Now menu tab, you can delete some T codes from here as you required. You can change menus anytime. The next menu is authorization. You can select this authorization type and change authorization data from here. Select you want to save first, yes. Maintenance authorization data and generate profile. This profile can be generated in both ways, automatically and manually. Here we generate profile automatically. In expert mode for profile generation, you can change manually and generate profile manually if you are expert level. Here is a bar. Important note: if you are using the profile generator for the first time, you should use transaction SU25 step in the initially file profile generator table. For information, step C. You can click OK button. Third tab is users. You can add some users from here. Suppose test 1 2 3, you can add from here. Compare user. If you have a long list, you change in multiple entries, you can click user completely compare. You can compare from here. Yes. Okay. Then you can save data. you can change here. You can display in change mode and display mode. You can change and save here. So you can create a role like this. Here you can display your role, that is you have created first. Okay, if you want to copy this role or any existing role, you can copy from the main menu, click copy options. From here you can copy this role IDES training to copy IDES training 1. Copy all activities or selected activities, you can copy all activities. If you want to copy the same role as it is, otherwise you can change. If you have role matrix, then accordingly you can create a roles. Simply these are ways to create. Here you can see another transport role. If you want to transport this role to other servers, to other clients, transport FQA, you can transport a role from here. You can execute transport request, you can make on request, create request, and then you can also transport role. If you want to delete this role, you want to delete PFCG, select your role and delete. Do you want to delete role with all information? You want to delete? Yes, you want to delete role has been deleted from your R3 systems. This transaction delete all your role profiles, and there you can check there is no more exist this role in your system. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and share my channels. Thank you.